These 15 motorcycle innovations are silently killing your bike's dependability faster than chain rust in the rain. Manufacturers parade them as revolutionary advancements in their glossy brochures. But after examining repair records, mechanic interviews, and countless rider forums, the truth is clear. These features aren't enhancing your ride. They're the first components to break down. From electronic systems that fail in the rain, to touchscreens that go haywire at highway speeds, and components that consistently appear on service department problem lists, the evidence is mounting. If you want to keep your wallet intact and your bike on the road instead of in the shop, pay attention. Let's break down the worst offenders. Feature number 15, quick shifters and auto blippers. Quick shifters promise to bring MotoGP technology to your daily ride. Clutchless shifting, lightning-fast gear changes, and that race bike feel without the race bike price tag. The sales pitch sounds incredible, but these systems hammer your transmission with forces it wasn't designed to withstand. When they malfunction, and they will, they don't just stop working, they actively damage your drivetrain. The wiring harnesses crack from everyday vibration. One Africa Twin owner discovered his quick shifter's wiring completely separated after just 5,000 miles. The system is absurdly sensitive to routine maintenance. A minor clutch cable adjustment can render it useless. The real danger lurks in auto blippers. A Triumph rider reported his bike would surge forward like a clutch drop during every downshift. Picture that happening mid-corner on a mountain road. A Ducati owner found his bike randomly blipping the throttle when he wasn't touching any controls. BMW's systems are infamous for losing calibration without warning. Riders report having to perform a bizarre 10-second shift through each gear just to reset the system. Feature number 14, digital dashboards and TFT displays. Remember when you could read your speedometer in any weather? When gauges lasted decades without issue? Those days are gone. Today's TFT displays are introducing catastrophic failure points that can leave you riding blind. The most widespread issue? Complete invisibility in sunlight, precisely when most motorcyclists are actually riding. You can't see your speed, fuel level, or warning indicators when you need them most. Riders report screens freezing completely during rides. One BMW owner watched helplessly as his display scrambled into digital gibberish, requiring specialized dealer equipment to restore functionality. Indian motorcycle owners report display screens fading within just 3 to 4 years. Multiple forums document TFT displays developing dead pixels within 5 to 10 years, far shorter than the motorcycle's lifespan. When these units fail, replacement costs often exceed $2,000. That's not an upgrade, that's a financial liability disguised as a feature. Feature number 13, keyless ignition systems. Keyless ignition sounds like a convenience incarnate. Approach your bike, hit a button, and ride away. But this luxury comes with a reliability nightmare. These systems regularly fail from weak fob batteries, electromagnetic interference, and control module glitches. BMW riders report being stranded when their keyless systems suddenly couldn't detect the fob that was working perfectly that morning. The technology is vulnerable to low battery voltage, Wi-Fi signals, cell phone interference, and moisture, all everyday scenarios for motorcyclists. One BMW owner documented 5 separate failures where his system couldn't detect his key fob despite it working flawlessly the previous day. There's also the practical problem of where to store the fob while riding. With no ignition slot to secure it, it bounces around in your pocket. Now, instead of possibly misplacing a simple key, you're risking losing a $400 electronic device that controls your entire motorcycle. Feature number 12, variable valve timing. VVT systems. Variable valve timing systems are marketed as engineering marvels that deliver both low-end grunt and high RPM power. But there's a reliability cost they don't mention in the brochures. VVT systems demand pristine oil quality. Contaminated oil rapidly leads to cam seizure, solenoid failure, and timing issues. Skipping regular oil changes can result in catastrophic gear drive problems, costing thousands to repair. These systems rely on multiple sensors feeding data to the ECU, creating numerous potential failure points. When one component fails, the entire system can malfunction, leaving you with a bike that runs poorly or not at all. BMW R1250GS owners report inconsistent VVT operation in challenging conditions like extreme temperatures or high-altitude riding. When the system fails, engines lose both the performance and efficiency benefits that justify the added complexity. Feature number 11, smartphone connectivity. Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration are now standard features on premium motorcycles. The sales pitch promises seamless connection to your digital life while riding. The reality? Frustrating, unreliable, and often completely non-functional. Motorcycle smartphone systems suffer from persistent connection failures and software incompatibilities. Systems routinely disconnect mid-ride, fail to reconnect, and experience interference from other Bluetooth devices. Yamaha MyRide users describe the system refusing to connect despite following all troubleshooting steps. Many integration systems work initially but become unusable after either motorcycle firmware updates or phone operating system upgrades. The most frustrating aspect? These features are prominently advertised as selling points, but when they inevitably fail, dealers and manufacturers dismiss the problems as minor inconveniences rather than fundamental feature failures. Feature number 10, Tire Pressure Monitoring Systems, TPMS. Tire pressure monitoring systems are marketed as safety enhancements, but they're actually introducing new failure points that can leave you facing expensive repairs. TPMS sensors contain batteries with a limited lifespan of 5 to 10 years, significantly shorter than most motorcycles remain on the road. Battery failure is the most common TPMS issue, requiring complete sensor replacement that can cost several $100s per wheel. Dead sensor batteries trigger persistent warning lights and generate inaccurate readings, potentially causing riders to make dangerous pressure adjustments based on false information. Road debris and impacts can damage the exposed sensors, resulting in complete system failure. The ultimate irony? A simple $5 tire pressure gauge works perfectly every time, never needs batteries, and fits in your jacket pocket. Feature number 9, Heated Grips. Heated grips seem like the perfect comfort upgrade, especially for riders in colder climates. But the reality falls far short of the toasty comfort they promise. These systems place significant demands on electrical systems, while often delivering disappointing heat output. Many riders report their grips barely reaching noticeable warmth, especially at highway speeds when wind chill makes warm hands most critical. Many heated grip systems only function while the engine is running at higher RPMs, shutting down at idle precisely when you're stopped at traffic lights with freezing hands. The heating elements make handlebars noticeably thicker and less tactile than standard grips, actually reducing control feel in critical situations. When the heating elements inevitably fail, the entire grip assembly typically requires replacement rather than just the electrical components, turning a simple repair into a complex job. Feature number 8, Motorcycle GPS Navigation. Integrated GPS navigation systems command premium prices on modern motorcycles, but they're among the most problematic electronics you can add to your bike. BMW Navigator 6X units suffer from infamous phantom touch problems, causing screens to change randomly while riding, creating dangerous distractions at speed. Multiple owners report replacing 3 Navigator 6 units within 2 years on the same motorcycle, indicating a fundamental design flaw. Touchscreens frequently become unresponsive, rendering expensive units completely unusable, often in unfamiliar territory when navigation is most critical. GPS units spontaneously jump between screens and change program destinations without rider input, making them completely unreliable for navigation, according to numerous owner reports. Meanwhile, a smartphone and a weatherproof mount running Google Maps provides more reliable navigation, costs nothing extra, and updates automatically with the latest maps and traffic data. Feature number 7, LED headlight systems. LED headlights are promoted as brighter, more efficient, and longer-lasting than traditional halogen bulbs. But poorly engineered motorcycle LED systems are creating new problems riders never encountered with simpler technology. LED headlights without proper thermal management suffer from premature failure. Many motorcycle LED systems lack adequate heat dissipation, leading to overheating that dramatically shortens their operational life. The reduced power consumption can actually create problems with charging systems designed for the higher electrical load of traditional lighting. Some riders report stator and regulator rectifier failures within months of LED installation, as the electrical system struggles to maintain proper voltage with the significantly reduced load. The greatest disappointment? The promised longevity of LED systems often never materializes due to these engineering oversights. Feature number 6, Cruise Control Systems. Electronic cruise control systems promise to reduce fatigue on long rides, but the execution falls far short of the highway comfort they promise. These systems prove unreliable and hypersensitive to minor road imperfections. Throttle position sensors malfunction, causing systems to disengage unexpectedly from small bumps. precisely when you've relaxed your grip expecting consistent speed maintenance. BMW cruise control systems are notorious for gaining or losing 5+ kilometers per hour on hills without rider input, creating potentially dangerous situations where the bike suddenly accelerates or decelerates unexpectedly. These electronic implementations add hundreds of dollars in initial cost and expensive diagnostic procedures when sensors inevitably fail. The mechanical simplicity of a traditional throttle lock has been replaced with complex electronic systems that introduce multiple failure points. Feature number 5. Self-canceling turn signals. Self-canceling turn signals sound like a minor convenience, but they're creating confusion and potential danger on the road. These systems employ complex algorithms that frequently fail to cancel appropriately, either leaving signals blinking long after turns are completed or canceling them prematurely before maneuvers are finished. BMW systems are particularly problematic, with owners reporting inconsistent operation that even dealership technicians cannot explain or resolve. These electronic systems create confusion for other road users when they malfunction. The traditional manual cancel button worked flawlessly for decades, reliable, predictable, and completely under the rider's control. Feature number 4. Cylinder deactivation systems. Cylinder deactivation technology promises improved fuel economy by shutting down cylinders during cruising. But on motorcycles, this technology is creating reliability nightmares that far outweigh any efficiency gains. Indian and Ducati cylinder deactivation systems suffer from persistent software glitches and sensor failures that compromise overall engine performance. Riders report systems randomly deactivating, causing engine stumbling and performance issues. When these systems malfunction, engines can shut down unexpectedly at idle or during low-speed maneuvers, precisely when stability is most critical. The actual fuel economy improvements are minimal in real-world riding, while the reliability concerns are substantial. Is saving a few dollars in gas worth the risk of unpredictable engine behavior? Feature number 3. Cornering light systems. Cornering lights that illuminate the inside of turns sound like valuable safety features, but they're introducing new complications without delivering consistent benefits. Yamaha FJR owners report cornering lights that never functioned properly even after ECU replacement, with dealerships acknowledging these were among the first components to require warranty service. Many systems require specific conditions like running engine and engaged clutch, yet still fail to activate when needed most. These lighting systems add unnecessary complexity without providing reliable functionality, incorporating multiple sensors and electronic components that create new failure points. Feature number 2. ABS and traction control systems. Modern ABS and traction control systems are marketed as essential safety features, but their reliability issues can actually introduce new dangers in critical situations. Wheel speed sensors routinely fail from road debris and weather exposure, causing complete ABS system shutdown without warning. Sensors become contaminated, damaged, or develop wiring issues that disable crucial safety functions when you need them most. Low battery voltage can cause both ABS and traction control to malfunction simultaneously, removing all electronic safety assistance at once. BMW owners describe persistent ABS and traction control warning lights that dealerships cannot diagnose or resolve. Most concerning, these systems occasionally fail during cornering when intervention would be most critical, potentially creating more dangerous situations than if the systems weren't present at all. Feature number 1. Electronic suspension systems. Taking the top spot for the most problematic motorcycle feature is electronic suspension. These systems promise perfect ride quality at the push of a button, but they're delivering reliability nightmares instead of comfort. Electronic suspension loses all support when the ignition is off, causing bikes to sag completely and making simple tasks like moving the motorcycle in the garage more difficult. Side stands become effectively too long because motorcycles can't maintain their ride height when parked, creating unstable parking situations. The complexity of these systems creates significant reliability challenges. While conventional suspension can be maintained by owners with basic mechanical knowledge, electronic systems require specialized diagnostic equipment and dealer visits for even minor adjustments. When electronic suspension works perfectly, it's marginally better than well-set-up conventional suspension. When it fails, which happens with alarming frequency, it's dramatically worse than even the most basic mechanical setup, potentially leaving you with a bike that's unsafe to ride. Many experienced mechanics who work on these bikes every day choose conventional suspension for their personal motorcycles. They've seen firsthand what happens when these systems inevitably develop problems. You've just discovered 15 motorcycle features that look impressive in glossy brochures, but secretly undermine your bike's reliability and longevity. The next time you're in a dealership being pitched the latest electronic wizardry, remember that simpler often means more dependable. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button for more straight-shooting motorcycle advice. Drop a comment below, telling me which feature surprised you most. Until next time, keep the shiny side up and the complex electronics to a minimum.